Welcome to the video by Spexin. Zoology Mille and Harley MCQs.
Chapter 18. The Fishes. Vertebrate Success in Water. Let's start. Which infrafilum contains the hagfish? Hyperotridae. Cephalaspidomorphi. Vertebrata. Chondrichthyes. Correct answer. Hyperotridae. Members of the vertebrate class include the sharks, skates, and rays. Ascites. Cephalaspidomorphi. Placodermi. Chondrichthyes. Correct answer. Chondrichthyes. This class of bony fishes contains the lungfishes and coelacanth. Actinopterygii. Cephalaspidomorphi. Chondrichthyes. Sarcopterygii. Correct answer. Sarcopterygii. Amocoete larvae would be found as planktonic inhabitants of the open ocean. Partially buried, filter feeding in coastal waters. Partially buried, filter feeding in a freshwater stream or river. Attached to a host fish. Correct answer. Partially buried, filter feeding in a freshwater stream or river. Adult members of the infrafilum Hyperotridae are predators of fish. Are scavengers feeding on dead and dying fish. Feed on algae attached to rocks and other substrates. Are filter feeders. Correct answer. Are scavengers feeding on dead and dying fish. Members of which of the following vertebrate classes is believed to have given rise to ancient amphibians? Actinopterygii. Sarcopterygii. Elasmobranchii. Holocephali. Correct answer. Sarcopterygii. A vascular network that allows gases to move from the bloodstream into a fish's swim bladder is called the pneumatic duct. Ovale. Rete mirabile. Glomerulus. Correct answer. Rete mirabile. Gases are reabsorbed into the bloodstream from a swim bladder at the pneumatic duct. Ovale. Rete mirabile. Glomerulus. Correct answer. Rete mirabile. The lateral line system may function in all of the following except one. Select the exception. Detecting water currents. Detecting predators or prey that may be causing water movements. Buoyancy regulation. Detecting low-frequency sounds. Correct answer. Buoyancy regulation. Blood flows from the conus arteriosus of the heart of a fish toward the gills, ventricle, kidneys, tail. Correct answer. Gills. All of the following are adaptations of freshwater fish for osmoregulation except one. Select the exception. Excreting hypotonic urine. Actively transporting salts out of the blood at the gills. Not drinking water. Nephrons with large glomeruli and short tubule systems. Correct answer. Actively transporting salts out of the blood at the gills. Most fishes excrete as the primary nitrogenous byproduct of protein metabolism. Ammonia. Urea. Uric acid. Creatine. Correct answer. Ammonia. Diadromous fishes live in murky environments and often rely on electroreception to detect objects in their environment. Possess both lungs and gills. Are open ocean fishes that force water over their gills through ram ventilation. Migrate between freshwater and marine environments. Correct answer. Migrate between freshwater and marine environments. Are thought to be a part of the evolutionary lineage leading to terrestrial vertebrates. Osteoleptiform fishes. Lungfishes. Elasmobranchii. Actinopterygii. Correct answer. Osteoleptiform fishes. Which of the following is not a member of the infrafilum Vertebrata? Hagfishes. Cartilaginous fishes. Ostracoderms. Bony fishes. Correct answer. Hagfishes. Gnathostomata is a monophyletic grouping and includes all of the following except one. Select the exception. Lampreys. Cartilaginous fishes. Bony fishes. Tetrapods. Correct answer. Lampreys.
Visit our website spexin.com to take the quiz of the chapter and for more details, unlocking a world of knowledge and discovery at your fingertips. Spexin, your premier e-learning platform. Join the Spexin community by subscribing to our YouTube channel for exciting videos and regular updates. Don't miss out, the link is right there in the description below. See you soon with another captivating video. Until then, stay tuned.